Here we divide 654 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 5 and it is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 4 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting it is 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 654 divided by 5 is 130 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.